TypingWise is an AI tool that lets you use your voice for typing. It works in one of the three ways. The first one is simple transcription. In this case, whatever you speak is written into the current app as it is with some cleanup. Let's take an example. Here is me saying some words which will be put into the current app after removing the pauses and any filler words that may be there in my text. So if you see here, it took everything that I spoke by removing the pauses, removing the filler words, and put into the current app. And one more thing it does is also take the vocabulary that you have into its account. For example, if I go to settings, if I go to vocabulary, let's say that I have a specific word, let's say Dokamunga. So this is a made up word. AI cannot know the spelling of this. So if I come back here and if I say Dokamunga, it will be able to identify the spellings from the vocabulary and put it into the current app. So if you see here, Dokamunga was put there into the current app. It also is intelligent. For example, I have been using it with Cursor for coding. So if I say give the header a blue shade, assign maybe BG-blue-100 and PX-4 and PY-10 to the header, stop it. If you see here, it is properly typing BG-blue-100 and PX-4 and PY-10 in the text. So this is simple transcription. The next one is post-processing. So what you can do is once you have spoken some words, you can also process them using AI and then put it into the current app. For example, I built TypingWise 3 weeks ago. I've been using it on daily basis for the past 3 weeks and I feel like it has made me super productive. Stop it. Now I can either give my prompt here, for example, make a social media post out of it. Don't add emojis, don't add hashtags, blah blah blah. So I can write my custom prompt, or I can also use one of the pre-built prompts. So if I go down here, I have a social media post here. So it will take the words that I have spoken, modify them based on the prompt that we have configured for social media, and then write it into the current app. You have control over all these prompts. You can also define your own prompts as well. So if I go to the settings, go to the prompts, we can define custom prompts as well. So add greetings, for example, and let's say that I want to add here at the start of text. Add, close it, and this is me now using my personal prompt that I configured. So I made add greeting. If I go down, it's here, add greetings, enter, and now I took the prompt that I had into the account. The last one is Ask AI with Voice. You can also use it like ChatGPT or whatever. So the way it works is you give the prompt to AI with your voice. AI will process it using the model that you have configured and give you the output back. For example, if I come here and say, write me a casual WhatsApp messages for my friends telling them that I am launching TypingWise today. Stop it. And now it will process my instructions and give me the output. I can also use it for creating emails. So write me a simple casual newsletter that I will be sending to the people, telling them that I'm announcing TypingWise today. Give them the coupon code typing20 so they can get 20% off. Stop it. And now it will be writing the newsletter with the coupon code. It is putting my name in here and so on. You can also use it for more stuff. For example, if you are in the terminal and you need a command for something, for example, give me the command to find all the markdown files in the current directory recursively. Stop it, and I have the command in here. So yeah, this is how it works. These were all the three modes. You have control over the models to use. So if I go here, go to the integration. So for now we have the configuration for OpenAI and Grok. So you add your own keys and you use it, and you can configure the models here. For example, with Grok, I'm using Whisper Large V3, and for text processing, I'm using OpenAI 3.5 Turbo. You can configure any other model as well. You can also configure OpenAI for transcription as well. So these are the models which are supported, and so on. Prompts is a way where you can define all the prompts. Vocabulary, you can define your custom vocabulary. Shortcuts is where you define the shortcuts for these three different modes. Quick transcribe is option minus. You can change it, option plus, for example. And transcribe and process is this shortcut, and same for Ask AI with Voice. So you need to start and stop with the same shortcut to be able to trigger that mode. So use it and let me know what you think.